Hello and welcome to January's empties. In this video, I will show you what all I emptied in the month of January and what do I think about it. So in no particular order, let's get started. So the first thing that I have is this Fae Beauty No BS cleanser. It's a very good cleanser for, I would suggest, dry skin type, and for oily skin people this is a really nice gentle gel based morning cleanser. I will probably not repurchase this only for the sole reason that I have a lot of face washes and this one did not really stand out that much, though I really enjoyed using it in the morning. The second one is Laneige Water Bank. It has hyaluronic acid. This is how the tube looks. It's a mini, so I got it in Nykaa and this is a pretty decent one. I think iska bahut acha dupe is the Pond's lightweight gel, similar consistency, and that is much cheaper than this one. So I think if I really enjoyed it, but for the cost, I think I will, go back to my Pond's lightweight gel and not this. Though it is really nice, but if you want to splurge on your skincare and you want to get something really, nice and bougie for yourself, this is the one. The third thing I emptied is Sanphase Face Acne Clearing Glow Patch. It's a acne patch. Generally, I think all the acne patches work the same way, and this did that too. I'm sort of in the middle if you should use a single-use product or not. Though I don't use any wipes or sheet mask, I try to avoid it as much as I can. But this is something in desperate times, I do end up using when I have to put on makeup and I'm having a bad skin and I don't want to aggravate my skin. I generally get this and put it on my face and do the makeup above it. The fourth and the fifth thing that I emptied are these perfume samples from H&M. This one is Mystique Velvet and this one is White Air. Both of them smell really nice, but having said that, this does not stay at all. मेरे ऊपर ये 1 घंटा भी नहीं था, and क्योंकि ये बहुत ही मिनीज है, like these are samples, तो ये लिटरली मेरे को पता ही नहीं चला, एक ही दिन में 2 बारी लगाने में ख़त्म भी हो गया. एंड 2 बारी भी मैंने ऐसे लगाया कि मैं अपने घर से निकली, उससे पहले मैंने लगाया, एक आधा घंटे में मैं डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंची, परफ्यूम जा चुका था, तो मैंने वापस लगाया एंड इट वाज ऑल गॉन. Though the fragrance is very nice, I think you can skip on H&M perfumes for now. Probably, you can use a Zara perfume, or there's a Secret Alchemist perfume which is pretty good. I will put the link in the description. That perfume is very nice. It's also made in India, so that's also a good one. Talking about made in India, my 6th empty is from Nat Habit. It's fresh whipped hand malai. So Nat Habit के सारे products naturally made होते हैं. They are all natural ingredients, तो इनकी shelf life भी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती. They're from the mindset that you don't have to overconsume. आप कुछ खरीदो only if you want to use it, and this is the hand cream I got. And it was pretty, I think for my hands it was very thick. But मैंने 1-2 बारी हाथ में यूज़ करने के बाद I gave up and I used it as like a body butter, and for that I think it is really good. क्योंकि ये बहुत हाइड्रेटेड रखता था, चिप नहीं होता था, एंड नेक्स्ट डे तक भी मेरी स्किन बहुत हाइड्रेटेड रहती थी. तो आई यूजुअली स्किप, एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन मैं इसको लगाती थी, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम्प्टीड इट. इनफैक्ट मैंने इसको 2 हिस्सों में काट के यूज़ किया है. सो literally there's nothing in this, you can see nothing. And yeah, but I think hand cream is more expensive to use in your body that way. So I think I will try the other products, maybe like a body malai or something like that. So yeah. So the next thing I emptied is this Veet Professional ready to use full body wax strip. I usually go to the parlor to get my waxing, threading upper lips done, but in case of emergency when I'm not getting time to go to parlor, I use this, especially on like my moochies. जब मुझे time नहीं मिल रहा है parlor जाने का and I have to get them off, I use this. If you want to see how I do it, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make a tutorial for you guys. And yeah, it's pretty decent. I have used other brands as well, but but I think this wheat one is the best in the market till now. The last thing that I emptied is this Acne Squad Breakout Terminator Spot Corrector with salicylic acid. Technically this is not an empty because there is some product left in it, but you can see it's fully like oxidized. It was clear when I got it, but now it's like some off-white color and I don't want to use this on my face or anywhere for that matter क्योंकि ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो चुका है. But having said that, when it was working pretty good and was not oxidized, it was very very nice. In fact जब मेरे को acne होता था, I used to skip on putting acne spots, acne patches, and I used to use this and this really did a very good job. इसको लगाने के बाद वापस उस जगह में acne नहीं होता था, but with acne and pimple patches वो generally हो जाता है. And if you are somebody who gets really those big and painful acne, I would suggest do try this. Do a patch test before like putting it on your acne. Do try to do like a patch test. And yeah, that's all that I emptied in the month of January, and you know what all I will get and what do I think about it. Do let me know in the comments what did you empty in the month of January. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.